Alright, here we have your distributor. It came off right here. This is essentially how it sits, and as you can see, oil has built up over the bottom of it and accumulated some dirt. Now you'll see here that, if you can shine the light on the seal, the brown orangey thing in the middle is what is leaking, the innermost seal of a housing going through this hole right here, which leads directly to the outside of the distributor here. And we can tell that by seeing the oil trail that has gone down. It sits a little more upright, like that. So that's how the oil trail shows down here. So we would need to replace this whole housing. If you could show the hoses with the light as well. You can see the hose has been swollen up just a little bit, and that's just from heat and oil, the combination thereof. And that's really your aggressor in terms of why you'd want to get that done as soon as possible to avoid having that hose needing to be replaced.